Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today folks, we've got something a little bit different. We're here in Newcastle upon Tyne and apparently there's going to be an anti-immigration protest. Apparently the anti-immigration, them lot are going to be here too. So there should be some fireworks. But in the meantime, there's a band on. Pirate, drinking cheap cider. If he doesn't stop drinking, that could be him. So we're just heading down Market Street towards the Newbridge Hotel, which has been taken over, look at this, which has been taken over by illegal immigrants. It's where the government have put them in. So there's already a police presence. And again, look at the graffiti, but that is the Newbridge Street Hotel. And just around here we have the protest. Not very big so far, but we'll see how big it's going to get. So as you can see, it's not very big so far, but we do have a police presence. We've got Union Jacks and England flags flying, more police. And down here we'll have the far left. And in the background, the Newbridge Hotel. Now covered in graffiti.
Can I punch it?
So we have a few protesters gathering, exercising their right to protest, but the lefties down the bottom are saying not allowed. In the words of Charlie. You'll see a lot of masks. They don't like showing their faces. So far, not exactly a very big protest on both sides of the fence. Apart from this lot are masked. Well, quite a few of them are. Stop the boats now with an A. Huh. Seems to be a bigger gathering on the left. Well, so far not a lot happening. We've got about a dozen protesters on this side, about 30 on the left, and yeah, not a great deal going on. So far, not a very big turnout. So I think this would be a very short protest. Meanwhile, on the left, we'll have more banners and more people building up. See what some of the signs say. So we've got more signs going up on this side. So we'll have a few more building up on this side of the fence. Oh dear, seems to have a stop and search going on. So we'll have a look at the signs on this side of the fence.
Conditions of poverty that we're seeing in the northeast of England. All the rubbish houses, all the terrible workplace conditions. When the working class are under attack, what we're going to do? Stand up, fight back. When refugees are under attack, what we're going to do? Stand up, fight back. When women are under attack, what we're going to do? Stand up, fight back. When children are under attack, what we're going to do?
There are gentlemen here shouting. So on this side we seem to have cosplay terrorists and yeah. And of course you've got the Hamas face covering. And there's more and more growing on this side. There's not a face mask in sight. So as you can see, the police are doing an absolute sterling job of keeping both sides apart. And when you're in the middle, you can hear both. When you're on one side, you can't hear the other side. Yeah.
Refugees not welcome here! Refugees not welcome here!
So there you have it. The two sides are just shouting at each other and playing music. The only violence I've seen so far have been from the left. I didn't film it because I'd put you guys away and I went for a walk round to Greg's to get some chicken nuggies and a Diet Coke. And a lady from the left followed me, accosted me and said, "Not allowed, do not film me." I said, "Excuse me, I'm just going to get my chicken nuggets. Leave me alone, please." Like I say, unfortunately, I had the camera away, so I didn't get to film it. But we'll walk around the back now. We're going to see what the left have to say down this end. May call it a day soon, because nothing really good's happening, apart from that lady who accosted me, which I didn't get on video. Just on a side note, that place there, the Oxford building, was actually the Ritchie nightclub, which was my favourite place to go. So we have the anti-immigration protests on this side. So you see a lot of face masks and Hamas scarves. On a serious note though, if you believe you're on the right side and you're in the right and you stand up for what you believe, why do you cover your face and hide? And why don't you like being filmed on YouTube? Because I've had none of that issues on the other side. Huh. So I'm just going to have a walk back around to the right side of the fence because I wasn't made to feel welcome on the left. But my views on this don't matter one little bit. I'm here just to film both sides and you can make your own mind up. So I'm back over here on the right side. Now, although I'm trying to stay impartial in this video, as you can see, I'm walking through this side and I'm having no hostility. However, on the other side, I did. And of course, that makes it so hard to try and stay impartial when one side of the argument don't want you filming and the other side of the argument are actually encouraging me to film and allow me to walk through and stand with them. So make your own mind up on that one. Oh dear, when the left meets the right, it all kicks off.
So it's allowed for it. It is England. You can have the English flag. Never noticed. Really? Obviously not. People like you, you traitor, a traitor.
No.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not a racist. That does not make me a traitor. Either.
You're not a racist.
No, I'm not a racist.
You are not a racist.
No,
What the
I'm
fuck
not.
is that?
That is the England flag.
Yeah,
How is that racist?
Racism.
How is that racist? How is that racist?
Because you're walking
Right,
right.
the English
Do not
flag.
live in our
Let me
country.
ask you a
Wait,
question.
you're not
Let me ask you a
racist.
question.
Because he's got
Ease
an
off.
English flag on.
Ease off. If you were in Spain,
They're racist.
if
They're
you were,
racist.
if you vote,
Yeah, well, we were walking past mine and our business.
we walked past.
We walked past and she started calling us racist and said that we weren't all with you, let's come for the bus.
Are you still on the
She
phone?
was sitting on there, the shout started shouting her mouth off and if and even singing and everything. Yeah, she was just sitting, we walked past mine now and all business. We weren't even doing it.
So this couple was walking past with a Union Jack flag, and somebody from the left, allegedly, started hurling abuse at them and calling them racists. Now I can quite believe that because I had the same going along there. So there you have it. That will just about do it from the protests here at Newcastle. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.